you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Samai Marie, aka Maya, and today I am back with another video. Today we have this bomb 12-inch honey blonde 6x4 lace front wig, and y'all, this wig, don't even get me started on it. Okay, did I say this was glueless? Yes, y'all heard me right. This wig is glueless. Right now I do have a little bit of product on the lace. I did go in with some leave-in spray, however there is like no glue on here, so if I did want to take this wig off at the end of the night, definitely could. Also, I didn't do a ball cap method, so this is super beginner friendly, especially if you don't know how to lay your lace wigs with glue and you don't know how to really do a ball cap method. This is the way to go. Not only that, but it's hot outside, so of course we want to go glueless for summer so that we don't have to worry about our lace lifting while we out having a blast. Don't nobody got time for that. I'm going to be showing you how I styled it, how I prepped the wig, which the wig already came pretty ready to wear, as you will be able to see later on. But I'm going to be showing you how to get it like this. All this body volume, you know, character. She's giving mysterious a little bit, but like not too much. Then fatal. I don't know what she's giving, but she's giving. Okay, listen, before we get into the video, guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss out on any of the content I got coming out. Make sure after you subscribe to hit the bell button, guys. That's super duper important. That's going to notify you whenever I drop a video. That way you can be right on time to all the stuff that we got planned, you all. Hold on. Did y'all see that curl? Did you see how I bounced back into place and I ain't really had to do much? Who you know? Who you know? Oh, look at it. Eats. Anyways, enough with the chit chat. Let's get right into the video. Okay, you all. So before we get into installing the hair, y'all know before I even put the wig on, I got to show y'all the packaging and the unboxing of the wig. Look how sleek and cute this box is. Look at what they gave us, y'all. So let me go ahead and show y'all the stuff that we got in here. They have a gift package and it has like their logo on it. We have some goodies in here. We have 2 wig caps. Yeah, when we do our ball cap method, it's gonna eat. Next, they gave us this really cute wig band, y'all. First of all, this is finna eat. I don't care. Like, I love the logo on the wig band. I love it. Then we have, I actually do not know what this is. What? Wait a second, you all. Wait. It's like a brush. Nah, this is new. I've never seen this before. That is so cool. I think this is like what you use to like tint the lace. Then they also provided us with some lashes, and y'all, these actually like some pretty good lashes, y'all. Of that, we also have some more gifts. So after you discard the box, they do provide a bag. Y'all know I love to keep my wig bags, y'all. I do not play with my wig bags because I need somewhere safe to store my wigs after I take them off. Has the logo on it, super cute, and I already love pink, so more points to them. Extra ball caps. So we got 4 in total now, y'all. 4 HD wig caps. Not only that, but they also provide us with a rat tail comb. Y'all know I love my combs. I've been stacking up on these combs. They also gave us these really cute, good quality duck clips or hair clips. First of all, this is what it looks like when it's in the package. So of course we're gonna take it out. Yeah. So as y'all know, like I always say, even if it don't seem like you need to, keep this. Okay, keep this. So when you're storing your wigs after you take them off, you know, it's kind of like you you know, taking them right out the plastic. You know what I mean? Like right out the bag every single time after every use, right? Y'all, look at her. She eats. She's finna eat. Okay, let's get into the actual wig itself. So as you can see, it is a honey blonde wig with blonde highlights. Y'all, the highlights eat. I literally love it. I feel like I'm gonna look like a little brat style. I don't know if you could tell, but my fingers can go through there. It has a breathable cap, and this is perfect for summertime so that you don't have to worry about literally sweating and having all that heat trapped inside your braids and your wig cap and your wig. Yeah, gonna cause a heat stroke. Anywho's, not only that, but it comes with a band already made inside, y'all. This is fire, and the band is removable, y'all, so y'all can take this off if y'all want, but this is going to help secure the wig for real because it is a glueless wig. Now on top of that, they also have combs in there. They have built-in combs to like really secure the wig, so it's like extra security. It's like they have this like non-slip type of band right here in the back, so they're really trying to make sure that y'all wigs stay on this summer. Props to them, okay, period. They have the hair is pre-plucked. Look at that. Look at that. Pre-plucked to the T. And it has a pre-cut lace, y'all. The lace is pre-cut. Now, we are about to put this on and see if it's really what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my bonnet. Yes, guys, yes, we're gonna take off the bonnet. I already have my wig cap on. I'm not going to be doing the bald cap method this time because I figured it's a glueless wig, so it's like there's really no need. As long as I have like protection over the main part of my hair, I really don't gotta worry about that. Let's see if it's really about what they say. Yeah. Okay, so first off, pull these back a little bit. Secondly, let's see if parting it a little bit more changes something. Not really. Okay, y'all, so the wig is on. As you can see, it really is like glueless, and if you want to wear like this, you can, but y'all know me. First of all, my forehead is big, so of course we're gonna have to go in and do a little bit more extra work, but I am loving this wig. First of all, it is already cut really good. Like, look at how perfectly it's cut. Not only that, but it's super silky. I told y'all it was gonna get wrapped. If you want to wear the wig like this fresh out the box, you can, because they made it to where you could. However, if y'all want to see this wig eat even more than it's already eating, stay tuned. I am about to give y'all a step-by-step tutorial on how to make your glueless wigs eat even more than what it's already doing. I'm gonna go ahead and take it back off and let's get started.
So the first step in this glueless wig install, I went ahead and washed it with some purple shampoo. That's to make sure that everything is extra toned and made sure everything was perfectly in order so you can really see those blonde highlights shine through. And I washed it for about 5 minutes and raked it through until it was thoroughly covered in that purple shampoo. After rinsing, I'm going in with a scoop of silicone mix. That's just to bring back moisture and life into the hair. And I'm also going in with some Adore 10. Now, that's the crystal clear one. That's to bring in that extra shine to the wig. And I comb that in and let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. After rinsing it like normal when the hair is still damp, I'm going to go ahead in with some styling mousse, comb the hair back on the lace, and I'm going to start plucking. So when I pluck, I like to go in with a hot comb after applying those products and comb the hair all the way back. Now, as you can see, you can kind of see where the pre-plucking stops. So this is why I went ahead and with some extra reinforcements, because I knew I was going to be heading into some extra work, guys. So what I use is the pluck and skip method, guys, and this is to give the glueless wig a more natural look, kind of like a silk press or kind of like a press and curl when you get at the salon. And guys, when I tell you this is the easiest wig to pluck ever, okay, 10 out of 10 for their hair. As you can see, I was a little rough on plucking. I thought it was going to be harder to pluck, but it actually wasn't. It was super easy. So I did rip a hole or two in there, but that's okay. It's not going to matter because I'm going to be cutting off that extra part of the lace anyway. And guys, when I tell you, super easy to do. Then I went in and I plucked the middle part. That's just to reinforce the middle part and give it a more natural look, because as you guys could see before, you couldn't really see my middle part. So I widened it a bit so that you could see it from a distance and it looks more natural. Now after doing that, I went ahead and started tinting my bald cap, or my wig cap. It's not really a bald cap. And basically, I just wanted it to make sure that it was the same skin complexion as me. So when I install my wig, it is going to be matching. After tinting the lace as well, I had it installed the wig, and guys, as you can see, it matched perfectly, guys, like literally. And as you can see, that was the UNice logo on the hair clips that they gave me. And I went ahead and cut off that excess lace that I was talking about before. Y'all, when I tell you you can wear your wig just like this, look at that. Hold on. Comb underneath, no glue, and lace wear. But I wanted some extra security, so of course I'm going in and tinting the lace a little bit more, and I'm about to go in with some Ebin spray. But first I wanted to get rid of those excess hairs, kind of those flyaways. So I went in with some spritz and combed the hair back. That way I don't worry about melting, you know, flyaway hairs into the lace. So after taking a little bit, and I mean a little bit of Ebin spray, and letting it dry a little bit, I just took the tail part of my comb and pressed down on it, on the lace. And when I tell, it was already melted, but I had to use it, my double-sided UNice wig band, guys. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love that it's double-sided. Not only that, but I went ahead and with my hot comb again. Guys, if you ever have problems with frizziness on your wig, trust me, go in with your hot comb, guys. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's the magic, but it helps so much get rid of a lot of frizz, and it gives it more, you know, silkiness. So I went ahead and I took my flat iron and I took section by section and re-straightening the hair, and of course, you know, adding just a little bit of bump to the end, not too much, but just enough to where it's like, you know, not bone straight. So as you can see, I'm going in, I'm slowly taking my flat iron and I'm really taking my time. I didn't do super small pieces because I didn't want to really lose any volume of the hair. So, but the flat irons did their job, of course, as you can see. And y'all, now we're about to clean up the ends. So I wanted it to be more asymmetrical type of thing. So I wanted to be where the front was way longer than the back. So I went in and I did a little bit of extra trimming, guys, and I want to tell y'all ahead of time, do not be cutting excess amounts, okay? Because the hair is not going to come back. Once it's gone, it's gone. So really take your time while you're cutting. And I cut in both directions. So I cut downwards and I cut upwards, and I went over it multiple times to make sure that no matter where I move my head, this cut was going to give blunt, okay? I wanted the back of the wig to be blunt, okay? Period. Y'all see that? I did that. So then after cutting the back, and only the back, I went in with my wax stick so I can really get those roots. So as you can see, since this is a 6x4 lace front wig, I am going to be kind of hot combing in a certain technique to where if I move around or anything like that, you can't see you know, the parts that are not covered by lace. So that's why I kind of hot combed it the way that I did, as you can see. I also kind of shaped it to, you know, my head shape. So that also plays a huge role into why we go in with our hot comb. And then after going in with my hot comb within my flat iron, and I started to do kind of like a rough draft of how I wanted my curls to fall, or how I wanted my bangs to fall, guys. So I knew as soon as I washed this wig that we were going to have to do some bangs. Okay, the way it was cut, the volume, everything, I knew we were going to have to do some bangs. So as you can see, I am curling it in a certain direction, kind of backwards, and I'm kind of playing with it to see how the curls will fall and where I need to cut. So as you can see, I did a little bit of trimming and a little bit of layering, of course, because in order for this to work, you're going to need layers, guys. So be sure to cut wisely. You know, I can't tell you exactly how to cut, but you know, just play with it, you know, just kind of see what you like, right? So after I curled both sides, I kind of just took my time in layering, and as soon as I added in those layers, everything started to fall into place, guys, and I was absolutely loving it. So lastly, of course, we always go in and retouch our parts with some makeup. I took some concealer that I usually use for my under eye my makeup, which is like super bright. Once I faded it in towards the front, and this is how it looked, guys. Y'all, this hair was a 10 out of 10. This was the easiest install I have ever done in my life, y'all. UNice did their thing with this wig. The wig is actually on sale for 20% off. Be sure to check it with the link in my description box below. And shout out to UNice Hair for this wig.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. And guys, she eats. First of all, what lace? What lace? Anyways, that is going to close out this video, guys. First of all, if you watch to the end, thank you so very much. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you like the content that I am putting out for you guys, which I love doing. Love you guys so much. That's gonna wrap everything up. I shall see you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye babes. Mwah.